Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the science session. So, yesterday we have written the questions of describing motion. So, we have completed the first main result, fill in the blanks, and first main multiple choice questions we have completed. Next term, fill in the blanks we have completed, as well as third main solve the following we have completed. Now, I am going to write the answers of fourth main. So fourth main is, the topic name is what? Describing motion. Describing motion. Okay. So first one, question number 1 from fourth main. So the fourth main is what? Answer the following. Okay. Answer the following. Question number 1. If a body is moving, if a body is moving with, if a body is moving with uniform velocity, in a given direction, its acceleration will be 0, 1. Yes. So once again I will read the question. If a body is moving with a uniform velocity in a given direction, its acceleration will be 0, 1. What is the answer? The answer is, since there is no change in velocity and no change in what direction? No change in direction. The acceleration of the body, acceleration of a body moving with uniform velocity. Uniform velocity in the given direction. In the given direction will be 0. So once again I read. If a body is moving with uniform velocity in a given direction, its acceleration will be 0, 1. Since there is no change in the velocity, because of there is no change in the velocity and no change in the direction, the acceleration of the body moving with uniform velocity. Understanding? Uniform velocity in the given direction. That's why the acceleration will become 0. Clear? Okay. Question number 2. I'll do this. Yes. Question number 2 is distinguish between distinguish between speed and velocity. Distinguish between speed and velocity. Okay, question number 2 is what? Distinguish between speed and velocity. So one side you write the speed. So on the other side velocity. First one, speed is what? Scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Next, what about the velocity? It is vector quantity. Second, it is the distance traveled per unit time. Correct? Look here, it is a scalar quantity. It is the distance traveled per unit time. Next, third one, SI unit meter per second. So this is what the second difference. It's a displacement. It is displacement per unit time. Third one, SI unit, same will come, meter per second. Understanding? Okay. So once again I'll read. The distinction between the speed and velocity. Speed is a scalar quantity and it's a vector quantity. It is a distance traveled per unit time. It is a displacement per unit time. This is totally dependent upon what? Distance. The velocity is totally dependent upon what? Displacement. Next, SI unit is meter per second. SI unit is meter per second. Okay, shall we go for question number 3? This is question number 2 and this is the answer. So now I will go to question number 3. So if you want to write the answers, just pause the video and write the answer. Okay, next question. Question number 3. Distinguish between distance traveled and displacement. Okay. The next question is what? Distinguish between distance traveled and displacement. How to distinguish? First one, distance and next displacement. Okay, so tell me the difference. Is a scalar quantity. First one, it is a scalar quantity. So what about the displacement? It is a vector quantity. vector quantity. Next one. Second option. It is the length of. It is length of the actual path, length of the actual path covered. It is length of the actual path covered, that is it is shortest distance between initial and final velocity. Initial and final position. Look here, it is length of the actual path covered. It is the shortest distance between initial and final position. Next one. Third one, assignment is meter. So this was same. Assignment is meter. Clear? Not per second will come, only meter. Because of actual length is there, I will take actual length in the meter. I will take the what is the shortest distance in the meter. These three are the difference between distance as well as displacement. Okay, shall I go for question number 4? Okay. Question number 4 is, what are uniform and non-uniform motion? What are uniform and non-uniform motion? First one, uniform. If an object covers equal distances in equal, if an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, motion said to be uniform. Correct? If an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, so that motion is said to be uniform motion. Second one, uniform motion. First one, uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. When a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals, unequal distances in equal intervals of time, said to be, motion is said to be non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. So once again I'll read. When a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, motion is said to be non-uniform motion. This is the answer of question number 4. Okay, shall we go for question number 5? Okay, I'll do this. So if you want the right answer, so what you will do, just pause the video and copy the answers. Okay, question number 5. What is question number 5? While mentioning acceleration, the time is mentioned. The time is mentioned 2 times y. 2 times y. So while mentioning the acceleration, the time is mentioned 2 times y. Since acceleration, the reason is since acceleration is changing velocity per unit time. Per unit time, time is mentioned. Time is mentioned once in the definition. Once in the definition of velocity. And once while defining acceleration. Once while Defining acceleration. Yes, once again I'll read. While mentioning acceleration, the time is mentioned 2 times. Why? While mentioning acceleration, the time is mentioned 2 times. Why? The answer is, since acceleration is changing velocity, means acceleration is totally dependent on what? Velocity. How will mention the velocity? 2 times the time, correct? So since acceleration is a change in velocity per unit time, so time is mentioned once in the definition of what? Velocity, as well as the definition of acceleration. Clear, children? Okay. So in the next class, I will give the answer of last main. So up to the 4th main. Yes. Up to the 4th main we have completed. Last only 1 main is there. I will give the answer in the next class. So after giving the definition, the describing motion is, what is that? Completed. Okay. So if you have a doubt in the first session, I have given my number. You can call me otherwise. So now the board is, everything is clear. So whenever you want the answers, just pause the video. So board is very clear. Write down the answers. If you have again the doubts, in the first session I have given my number. Just call to the number during 5 to 7 p.m. Thank you, dear children. Have a nice day.